Hey guys, this is FIFA92, and today I have a quick unboxing of the Quickfire from AT&T. This is a new release that just came out today, November 10th, 2008. It's one of AT&T's new text messaging phones that were just released. It has a full QWERTY keyboard and touchscreen, to a competitor to the Sidekick, but in my opinion, it's real better. It's way better. On the front cover of the box, we have the phone. Down there's AT&T logo and some features the phone has 3G, text messaging, has IM, mobile email, and AT&T Music. On the back is the same as the front. The right side has AT&T stuff and some of the just codes. More AT&T stuff on this side. On the bottom, it has, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry for the crappy quality, but Quickfire package contents: the phone, battery, travel charger, quick start guide, and user manual. On the top, it has try to get that inside. It has high-speed access, text messaging, instant messaging, email, and AT&T Music. Same thing on the front, right along the front, right here. Let's get to the unboxing. Little flat thing. It's upside down right now. As soon as you open it up, you see the Quickfire logo. Maybe you have some pamphlets inside, like Quickfire pamphlet, quick start guide, user manual, and that stuff. Nothing really interesting. You have the charger. Charger. It's a proprietary jack. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. It's I don't think you guys can see that, but I'll try to get it in the light. It's a proprietary headphone jack. It's like this long. Just plug it into the phone. It's by, no, you don't care about that. Just put this back inside of here. Sorry about this. I just like to keep things neat. I'll do that later. Next, inside the box, we have, here it is, the AT&T Quickfire. There's nothing under here other than my SIM card thing again. Put this back in. Here's the phone. It has the Quickfire logo on the back, the AT&T logo. It's a 1.3 megapixel camera. It's not very good quality for a phone, but it's okay. I've seen it. It has good quality. Well, it's pretty decent quality. And on the front, it's instant messaging, has Yahoo, AIM, and Windows Mobile. It says login, stay connected. We have the end call key. This is the, people say it's like a back key, clear key, but it's not. It's a shortcut menu key right here, the center one, and the call button, green one. On the right side we have the designated camera button and the voice recorder. You press it and this thing comes up to record your voice. This side, the left side, we have the volume rocker switch and the, well, this isn't really a key, it looks like it, but it isn't. It's only the volume rocker on the left side. You open it up, comes up like that. I have it on. Well, this is an unboxing. I don't know if they did it, so I guess they turned it on and put the SIM card in. But it's pretty easy to push it up and down. It's not really, yeah, I guess it is spring loaded, but still, it's pretty easy. The regular screen going, I guess you can call it portrait mode. You can go in portrait. Oh, I still have the screen protector on. Sorry. Take that off. It's AT&T 7 ports right now. It has the, well, this is just an unboxing, so I'll just show you the main stuff right now. Oh, I totally forgot about this. Oh, don't worry. On the top, it has a flat thingy. You can open it, and it has the charger thing, cable, charger, headphones, and cable stuff right here, and the micro SD slot right here. I have a micro SD card, but I didn't put it in yet. And right here is the power and lock button. See, you can do that. You lock. If you press it, if you press the lock, I'm doing this kind of upside down, and then you have to press the key, lock and then key, and it unlocks the phone. We have the shirt, I don't know if you guys can see that. The menu button right in the far corner over here. I'll show you actually. I'll just show you this and then the menu buttons right there. The phone. Sorry guys, I just can't do it backwards. The dialing pad thing, where you can do the dialing. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm sorry, but my camera sucks. The dialing pad. Dial. AT&T Music was the third one. Has a media player and everything. And the last one is my phone book. I haven't set anything up really. This is just AT&T stuff because I just got it like maybe an hour ago. I haven't really done anything with it. So, oh, well, I'm pretty sure people would want to see this. When you flip it up, the QWERTY keyboard comes out. It's pretty spacious, pretty easy to text. The screen goes into landscape portrait mode with 5 icons: messaging, email icon, IM icon, address book, and more. So, and it goes back. The transaction between them is pretty fast. When you flip it up in the screen rotation, it's pretty good. Only going back to the portrait mode is a little lagging, but overall, really good. Okay guys, FIFA 92, thanks.